What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to stop by and make a quick market update for you guys. As you know, this past week to week and a half, Trump and Beijing has been at it again with the trade war rhetoric, and that has caused markets to crash and VIX to head up near 30s. And I believe this was Thursday, Friday-ish. And when I talked about crash, I was a little bit exaggerating because the markets are looking to put in a wave 4. If you look at the market structure from April, this is a 1, 2, and then all this is 3. And markets are holding up the 50 daily moving average, which is very important, and it's not breaking below it. And this looks to be wave 4 to me. And I believe that after this wave 4 is complete, we're going to push up to wave 5 and make near all-time highs. This is going to catch a lot of people off guard because a lot of people are calling for a crash. When the VIX is near 30 and hitting resistance, it's not wise to short the market. It's not wise to, you know, sell all your stocks because obviously the markets can continue crashing higher or crashing lower, rather. As you can see in the April crash, it went up to 60. But more often than not, 1 month later, the markets are higher. So Tom Lee is calling for S&P 60 or 7,000 by the end of the year, and a lot of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, they've been tagging the 200-day moving average. And this is not bearish. A lot of people are calling for a crash. A lot of people are giving up, and a lot of liquid or a lot of leveraged crypto positions got liquidated over the past week. And I feel that as pretty bullish for crypto in general because a lot of people who thought that we're going to the moon at 127,000 Bitcoin now got liquidated and are not participating in, they're not thinking that Bitcoin can move even higher. So I believe that this is bullish for Bitcoin, bullish for equities. And mind you, earnings season is just getting started. So if you look at Earnings Hub, we have Netflix earnings this week on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we have Tesla. And then the following week, we have all the mega cap tech earnings: Microsoft, Meta, Apple, you name it. And I believe that these 2 weeks are going to be pretty pivotal for the stock market. I think that the market is still moving higher, like I mentioned, with the Elliott wave that I'm looking at so far. This looks like a incomplete impulsive Elliott wave pattern to me. I don't think the markets are just going to come down and crash right here, right now. And look at this too on the SPX, the cash index. The market wants to move higher. I think that's the path of least resistance. So that's what I'm going to be looking forward going into Netflix, going into the rest of this week, this coming week. I believe CPI is going to be released on Friday, even though we have a government shutdown. So, be on the lookout for that. And what else did I miss? Uh, yeah, this does not look bearish to me. Even though the swings have gotten larger, like if you look at the VIX, we're still above 20, so the swings will be pretty large compared to what we had like just a few weeks ago. But, this does not look bearish. Like we came down, we had a big ass candle on Friday, 2 weeks ago actually on Friday, and we could not even break, the lows here at 652, and we're just consolidating, consolidating, consolidating. And if you look at the 50 moving average, it is holding as pretty strong support. And MACD looks like it wants to turn higher. RSI wants to turn higher as well. So, you know, I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I'm not going to disclose any of my positions, but I am positioned long into next week and the week after as well. So there you have it. And one thing I want to point out is I am making more changes to the ToastBeans application. So soon you will be able to react with different emojis on the application. And I made two more updates on MicroStrategy and Netflix. Go ahead and check it out. And also made a market strategy update with the VIX surge above 20. But I mentioned that we view this as a buying opportunity for stocks into year end. So, not financial advice, but take it as what you will and position your portfolio accordingly. And yeah, that is all. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.